Hello, my name is Renuka Sharma. I'm working as assistant professor at the Department of CSA GEMS Greater Noida. Today's our topic of discussion is Navy's classification method. Before starting this, there are some prerequisite. Student must have some mathematical knowledge like probability, linear algebra, calculus, and some programming experience is also essential. Um, Next, course objective. At the end of this course, student must be able to find out the strength and weakness of many popular machine learning algorithms, and they are also able to find out the mathematical relationship with the various learning algorithm, and they are also able to design and implement various machine learning algorithm in a range of real world application. So our topic is Bayesian learning algorithm. Bayesian learning algorithm, Bayesian Naive method is a part of supervised learning algorithm. Supervised learning algorithm, as its name, we have a data set which have given some attribute, and with corresponding this x, we have also y. So Naive algorithm is a supervised learning algorithm, and it is based on Bayes theorem. It means it works on the concept of Bayes theorem, and it's used for text classification. And Navies classifier is one of the simple and most effective classification algorithm which helping in developing fast machine learning model that can make a quick prediction. As it is a probabilistic classifier. Basically, learning algorithm is classified into two categories. One of is a deterministic family. Second one is probabilistic family. Deterministic family, we have different learning methods like support vector machine, regression, and k nearest neighbor KNN, and some other. In probabilistic classifier, we have two method. Is a Naive method. Second one is logistic regression. And some popular example of Navies algorithm are spam filtration, sentiment analysis, and some classifying articles. Bayesian classifier are statistical classifier. They can predict class membership probabilities, such as probability that a given tuple belongs to a particular class. So let us assume here we have a data set. Okay, we have a data set, or we assume we have a number of attribute x. Here x is equal to may x1, x2, x3, x4, and so on xn. And with respect to x, we have given some label values y. So particular tuple is belongs to some class y. This is a training data set. And in a test data set, we have given some attribute values x1, x2, x3, so on xn, but we have to find out the value of y based on the previous experience. Okay. So before going into detail, first we need to understand the maths behind it. And some other thing about Navies method is it is based on the concept of like attribute independence. It means ki there is no dependence between the two attributes because it doesn't affect on the y value.